Gabi! Gabi! Ipitin mo yung clothes. Dami mo namang clothes.
Just to...
Kuya, maglabas ka rin ng gagamitin mo tomorrow.
Mommy, I'm telling you how me this is so much.
Wait, I'm still doing... I'm still doing...
Unti-untiin mo lang.
I used to do that.
Ha?
I don't tired doing that.
Just to...
Nagliligpit ka pa lang ng mga damit mo, tired ka na kaagad. Hindi lang ikaw yung nagtupi at naglaban yan.
I know you think you can run.
Go.
Just have to believe I'm the one. Just to wake up alone.
Ligpitin mo na.
I was the
I like this for tea. I mean.
You need help ni kuya? Bakit? Kaya mo na yan. Nagligpit na si kuya ng damit niya. Sa'yo na lang.
No!
Sige na. Lalagay mo na lang sa damitan mo. Sige na. Oh, tingnan mo yung mga underwear. Oh, si kuya na nagliligpit. Oh.
I am super tired.
Super tired. Yan pa lang ang gagawa mo. Oh. Sige na, ligpitin mo na.
Why all the kids need to clean up?
Ha?
Why the kids need to clean up then?
Wait, what?
Why the kids need to clean up?
Kuya, help mo daw siya.
Wait.
Come on, Nels.
Si kuya pagod na, anak.
Why?
Bilisan mo na, tulungan mo na siya.
I need to start.
Look, oh, ang dami niyang ginagawa, oh. Ang dami niyang nililigpit.
Wait, I am putting sharp nails now.
La 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 la.
Ikaw kanina pa yan, iligpit mo na.
Ah!
Yan na, it's here.
Sige na.
Then we got the kid.
Ligpit mo na yung damit.
I have sharp nails.
Ikaw, kadami mo bang ano, ha? Commercial. Ligpitin mo na yan. O, itapon ko na lang yan.
No. Then I can put up with my nails like this.
Tapon ko na lang yung mga damit mo.
No.
Tita, itapon mo na lang daw yan.
Right.
Tired na daw siya.
Di ba yung what's your, yung duty, lagi, put your clothes on your cabinet?
I am tired.
Kasi,
Here I help you.
Kahit saan. Puno na ba yan? Puno na yan dyan?
we're just going to put your clothes in. Too much na?
Yeah.
Dahil mo na kasing damit. Dapat yan.
Yeah, you give to, you sell it. Or donate it to kids.
Yeah. One is small for me.
Oh, go na.
Don't sell this dress. That I like this dress and this one and this one and this one and this one and this. Wait, is this mine? Is this mine, strawberry?
Yes po.
Okay, I don't a strawberry.
Ba't ba naka-shoes ka?
I put it there.
Ah, okay. Sira na muna yung shoes mo. Wala nang flowers. Tangga.
It's almost done right there.
Dahil mong damit eh.
Yep.
Dahan-dahan yan. Taas na.
yan. Ma.
Wala nang lagayan dito sa ilalim?
Ow.
Wala nang lagayan dyan?
Yeah.
Puno na?
I can't reach it. That is not mine. I don't have three strawberries. Is this mine? That's mine. That's mine.
Ay, kay kuya pala yan.
What has happened? It's getting color. My sweet Becky.
Ang sa'yo.
Let me tell what this to you. Yeah. Julia, this is your tummy. This is your
Ilalagay mo na lang sa ano ni kuya. Hindi mo pa nilagay. Isang damit lang din. Talaga.
She always is this mine or not?
No. Kay kuya din.
Amir, put this. Put this. Put this. Put this. Show my baby.
Ay, isa kuya. Sana. Ay, sando ka na doon? Ganit. For
No, that's the one I put.
Show my baby. Show my baby.
So that's our defensive technique.